Everybody good?
Yo.
They good? Okay, yo, what's up? It's the crew. Just wanna thank, first of all, you guys watched our performance yesterday at Skechers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.
Yes.
And we want to thank all the people that came out. We really had a good time.
Yeah.
A lot of
Congrats to the teams that na nakapasok.
Congrats, definitely. Congrats to all the teams that are
Induct.
Great competition.
Yeah, definitely awesome. We actually just got finished, dude. I'm trying to work here. Anyway, we actually just got finished with our Party Pilipinas gig. We only did half of the routine, but I think we did pretty good. I think. Hopefully you guys caught that. If you didn't get to catch it, if you didn't catch our routine yesterday, this coming Saturday we're performing at Pen Shop. The Zac Efron gig. So hopefully you guys can come out and, you know, really.
Sa ano yun? Arena.
Arena. So big time.
And after that, pupunta kami sa Chosen Ground, sa UPC.
Chosen Ground. Definitely want to promote.
Sa 29 din yun. That's next Saturday sa SM Marikina parking lot sa baba. So
Everyone should go there.
Pumunta kayo. And yeah, we just really love to meet all you guys, and just want to thank you once again for everybody's support.
Yes. Thank you for your support. Yun, sana mas makita pa namin yung mga tao.
Yeah.
And, yun, pag nakita nyo kami, don't hesitate to approach us. Walang problema yun. Mas gusto namin yun. Mas masaya na makakausap namin kayo.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Alright, I think
So,
that's
baka may
it.
sasabihin siya eh.
Good job, guys.
Yeah. And then for what this guy was just doing right now, that's the crew sign. So,
So
whenever you see us hold this up, it's a C.
It's a C. Right hand lang.
Right hand. You don't, not left, right?
Yeah, right hand. Crew sign.
Crew sign, yeah. Alright, thanks.
Yeah,
Peace
hanapin
out.
pa namin si Heart at si Solen. So, yeah.
Peace out.
Hi Heart, hi Solen.
Alright,
Sana
that's it.
mapanood
That's it.
nyo.
That's it.